Logged out of your Windows 11 administrator account? Don't worry, we have got a solution that doesn't require any third-party software. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you the simple and effective method to reset your administrator password and regain access to your computer. No need for expensive tools or technical expertise. Watch our tutorial and take control of your PC today. To reset the administrator password on Windows 11 without software, Step 1. Boot from a Windows installation USB or DVD. Step 2. Open the command prompt from the installation environment. Step 3. Rename utilman.exe and replace it with cmd.exe. Step 4. Reboot and open the command prompt from the login screen. Step 5. Reset the administrator password with the net user command. Step 6. Log in with the new password. Step 7. After resetting the password, restore the original utilman.exe. Step 8. Reboot your computer to complete the process. This method should be used responsibly and only on computers you own or have explicit permission to access.